Hello together. Today we're gonna do this yummy lentils and chickpeas salad. So look at this. We got some feta cheese, some carrots, parsley. So let's go. Here are the ingredients. So we need pepper, vinegar, salt, olive oil, corn, carrot, chickpeas, pre-cook, lentils, pre-cook, spring onion, feta cheese. Hi! So we're gonna do the lentils today, lentil salad. So for that we got pre-cooked lentils. For the lentils, this time I'm taking yellow lentils. I am boiling them until they are al dente. So we have our cool down al dente lentils. Look, they are just not overcooked. We put them on our container. We will add the chickpeas. I just got the ones from the can. You can also do them pre-cooked at home if you want to. We got some corn and some carrots. I chop them very, very small. And I will add some spring onion. So we're gonna mix all together. So now we're gonna season it. We're gonna add some black pepper, fresh ground as you may see. We're gonna add some raspberry vinegar. Gonna add some salt and some olive oil. This olive oil I did in one of the old preparations at home. This is just olive oil with some dried herbs. I remember it has parsley, it has dill and oregano, if I remember correctly. So and now need some hand shoes. Also, not hand shoes, sorry, some gloves. I was talking German. So, gloves on, and we're gonna squeeze a little bit the feta cheese. Just try to make it small pieces so that all the salad has feta cheese. When you got a spoon of it, you got everything mixed together. A little bit of lentils, a little bit of the cheese, a little bit of the carrots, so all together. It will be very nice to eat. So we're gonna mix all together properly. Like I said, just like we want a spoon with all the ingredients on it. Yeah. And remember, we gotta season it, and we haven't add any salt because we are feta cheese. We have to be careful of it. Oh, I forgot a parsley. Now chop some parsley as well. Time to taste. So, after we taste it with the feta, we can add some salt if desired or required. Salt is always your choice. Then another bit of black pepper and some vinegar. Now let's make it all. So, and here we are. Now we need to plate. Look, all very small cut, very well mixed, and it's very, very nice and very, very healthy salad. I hope you like it. If you like it, just subscribe and click the button of notification. Thank you.